Kinsey.
What?
How this ass ain't right. You're a bitch. About the only person in this world you control. That's you. I want you to start living as a gay woman.
Okay, you guys have to talk to me and I'll answer Dr. Phil, okay?
No, I've already heard
Yeah,
it.
I think we just did that without
Yeah.
talking.
We just played like all the things.
Hey,
And
He's just gonna do it anyway.
hey Andy.
you're gonna smoke dope and have a good time. And I
That's
want you to
okay.
start having a gay relationship. I'm talking to you about the only person in this world you control, and that's you. How about when this is over, we go do a little coke? You're gonna smoke dope. Have a good time.
Alright, enough of the Dr. Phil. Hey, how about when this is over, we go...
Do a bunch of coke. Hey, what is that, Matt?
On Slow Pop Take Action. Fruit flavored candy on the outside. Bubblegum on the inside. Fabulous. Slow Pop.
God.
You're gonna watch it till the end.
No, I don't want to because I've seen it and they all fuck each other in the end.
Okay.
No, Matt, that's filthy and that's not how it goes.
No.
There's a
That's
funny
why-
thing at the end where they're like, say it's from Charms, and then the one kid's like, what? And then they're like, what?
No,
That's how
man.
it ends.
This is how I lived my whole childhood. I don't want to do it.